Hello guys, this is Mahmoud Tipu. Today we will show you how can we verify our LinkedIn profile using our company work email. So to do this you must need to have a LinkedIn company page and a domain, okay, and a cPanel your domain cPanel access, so that you can add DNS record in your main domain actually. That DNS record will be provided by your LinkedIn company page whenever you will try to verify your LinkedIn company page using your domain. So first let's come to the profile. In here, as you can see, my profile is verified. I have verified my profile using my company work email. So at first come to your company page. In my case, TwinTechSoft. TwinTechSoft is a mobile and web application development company. So we provide development services here. We have a small team. So let's get into the verification part. Come to the setting, and under setting come to verification control. So in verification control, in your case you will see a domain submitting button here. In my case, I am already verified. I mean, my page is already verified, that's why you cannot see the verification button here. So in your case you will see the verification button if you are not verified. So click on that verified button, I mean verification button. You will ask to add your domain. If you add your domain, LinkedIn will give you a DNS text record. Okay, you just need to add your DNS text record in your cPanel. So how can you do this? I am showing you the steps. At first, come to your cPanel. Then search for Zone Editor. In Zone Editor you can see your main domain here. In main domain, click on Manage, then add text record here. Click on this add text record, validate a zone name, okay, let's make it small letter. Then TLT value will be the default value. If you face any issue, then search the correct TLT value in Google, you will get it. Then paste the DNS text record here, whatever the record will be provided by the LinkedIn. Okay, you just need to paste the record here, then save the record. Okay, I already did this step, so I am skipping it. And after saving the record, LinkedIn will verify your LinkedIn company page within 1 to 2 days. Okay, then after verifying your page, you will see the batch here. Then you can add your web email here. So how you can create web email, I am showing you the steps here. Using your web email, you can verify your LinkedIn company profile. I mean LinkedIn profile. Sorry. I'm not very good enough in English, so don't mind in it. So come to your come to your cPanel. Then under the cPanel, click on email accounts. Okay, in email accounts you can create your webmail account for your employees, and using this webmail account you can verify your LinkedIn profile. In my case, I am already verified, and I did this verification using my mahmoodtipu@twintechshop.com this access. You can see here, this is my webmail address. Okay, web email. So this is the steps. You can verify your LinkedIn profile using your company page. So that's all for today. If you face any issue, then feel free to contact me. I will provide you my LinkedIn. I already have given you my LinkedIn profile, which is linkedin.com/in/Mahmud Okay. So you directly can send me a connection request. I will accept it, and then you can send me message. I will fix it, or you can send me message in my WhatsApp. Okay. So I will reply it immediately and try to fix your issue. Thanks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.